Hello, John Talley here with Partzilla.com. Today I'm going to show you how to put on a factory OEM rear bumper on our 2018 Kawasaki Mule Pro-FXT. Really simple to do. Let me hop down out of here, head to the back, and I'll show you how to get it done. All right guys, this is going to be a skill level 1, but just barely that. It's going to be really simple. Kawasaki makes all their own accessories, and I guarantee it's going to fit on the machine. That being said, let's go through some of the tools you're going to need to pull this off. Really short list today. Going to need a 10mm socket, 3/8 ratchet, 12mm wrench, soft blow hammer, and not absolutely necessary, but it'll help out a lot if you have an impact wrench. Now, as far as the parts go, well, there's only one part number. It's going to have the rear bumper along with the associated hardware to get it mounted to your machine. So once you have your tools and your parts together, let's go do it. Step number 1, whenever you're going to put on an accessory, is to lay out all the individual pieces in an open area and group similar items together. It'll make it a lot easier when you're actually installing the piece to reach up there and know exactly where each item is going to be. You'll notice when you were doing your inventory, you actually have two different type of bolts. And then you've got one that's just silver, then you've got one that has a little bit different looking edges on the front thread. Reason being, these are actually self-threading bolts. So you'll notice when we get under there, there's going to be 4 holes drilled with no threads in them. So the first thing we want to do is run these through to create the threads. You want to do that without holding the bumper in place, because that will be very difficult to pull off. So we're going to leave the bumper on the ground, take these under there, run all 4 of them in, take them back out, and then we can mount the bumper. So let's go. All right, let me show you where these holes are that we have to get threaded. They're on either side, and they're right here. So you can do this with a regular ratchet. It'll just take you a while. I'm actually going to use an impact to go ahead and run them in there. Now we just back them right back out. Now, grab the other 2 and we'll do the other side. Same process. Back them out. Now we've got threads to work with. All right, at this point, we go ahead and bring the bumper over, and we'll start over here on the left side. All right, whenever I'm working with an accessory like this, I just put them in just finger tight just to start, because I guarantee you, you're going to have to shift it around a little bit to get it to go in there correctly. So one on one side, one on the other. All right, so we've got one holding on either side. Now, we'll start in one of these silver ones from the back. You'll notice that the bumper actually has threads built into it. That's the best thing about working with factory OEM stuff as far as the accessories go. It's going to fit. It makes life a lot simpler. Now we can go ahead and get in the second bolts on either side. And now that I have all of them at least started into the threads, we can start tightening down everything. We're going to start back here at the back. Now in the manual, or in the instructions, it shows that these rear bolts are supposed to be torqued down to 18 foot-pounds. Actually, I don't have an offset to get up in here, so I'm just going to use my internal torque wrench. If you don't trust your internal torque wrench like I trust mine, maybe want to drop the rear gate to where you can get a torque wrench on it. All right, let's get the other 4 tightened up. Now keep in mind, Kawasaki doesn't give a torque value. My suggestion is to grab the wrench all the way up here as you're tightening it and just get it snug. All right, last we just need to get these end plugs in. Well, all right, guys, that wraps this one up. How long did that take? What, 10 minutes, maybe? Well, listen, I know if you go to a dealership, they allot 30 minutes for this installation, so you'll save yourself some money doing it on your own. That being said, if you need any accessories for your machine, come see us at Partzilla.com and we can get you taken care of. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the section below and I will do my best to answer them. Till next time, we just want to say thanks for shopping with us here at Partzilla, and we will see you in the next video.